Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Jira to Google Sheets, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Google Sheets homepage. Create a new spreadsheet by clicking on the blank option. In your new spreadsheet, go to the top menu and click on Extensions. From the drop-down menu, select Add-ons and then Get Add-ons. In the search bar, type Jira and press Enter. Look for the Jira Cloud for Google Sheets add-on in the search results. Click on the add-on and then click the Install button. Follow the prompts to grant the necessary permissions for the add-on to access your Google Sheets. Once the installation is complete, go back to the Extensions menu. Hover over Add-ons and select Jira Cloud for Google Sheets. Click on Create New Jira Issue to start the integration. You may be prompted to log in to your Jira account. Enter your credentials and authorize the connection. Next, choose the Jira project you want to connect to your Google Sheets. Select the issue types you want to import, such as tasks, bugs, or stories. Click Insert to add the selected data to your Google Sheets. The data will populate the spreadsheet, displaying relevant information from Jira. You can now manipulate and analyze this data within Google Sheets as needed. To update the data, go back to Extensions and choose Jira Cloud for Google Sheets again. Select Refresh Data to pull the latest information from Jira into your spreadsheet. Feel free to customize your spreadsheet further, using formulas and functions. Explore other features of the add-on to enhance your project management workflow. Congratulations, you've successfully connected Jira to Google Sheets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.